Hello everyone, this is your IBTTA weekly update for Friday, December 7th, 2018. I'm Pat Jones. On Thursday, the Transportation Research Board, an arm of the National Academy of Sciences, released a major new report on the future of the Interstate Highway System. The consensus report released this week warns that the Interstate Highway System, despite its crucial role in the U.S. economy and society, is suffering from a persistent backlog of operational and physical challenges that will not be solved unless we have a major new infusion of funding. Among the major recommendations, the consensus report calls on Congress to lift the ban on tolling interstate highways, giving states greater flexibility to use tolling to help rebuild the interstate highways they own and operate. After the event on Thursday, I was able to chat with Committee Chairman Norman Augustine. Let's hear what he has to say about the report.
Yes, in the country there, of course, has been a legal ban against tolling general purpose lanes on an interstate highway. And our report says that it's time to lift that ban for several reasons. One is we may well have to go to more tolling on the interstates, and we need to give the states the latitude to do that on existing lanes. And by so doing, it also opens the possibility of some privatizing in cases where that's appropriate and practicable.
As much as we applaud the findings of this new TRB report, we've heard recommendations like these in earlier reports. The time for studies and reports is over. Now is the time to act. What we really need is bipartisan political support and political will. We know what to do, we just need to do it. We need to be honest with the American people about the enormous need to reinvest in our interstate highway system, and tolling is a proven method to help us rebuild that system. Also this week, Congressman Peter DeFazio, who will become chairman of the House Transportation and Infrastructure Committee in January, proposed a national VMT, or Vehicle Miles Traveled, pilot to replace the gas tax. He also suggested that the pricing be higher in urban areas than it is in rural areas. On Wednesday, the nation celebrated the life and mourned the passing of George Herbert Walker Bush, the 41st President of the United States. In a moving tribute at Washington's National Cathedral, Bush biographer John Meacham said, "Abraham Lincoln's Better Angels of Our Nature and George H.W. Bush's 1,000 Points of Light are companion verses in America's national hymn. For Lincoln and Bush both called on us to choose the right over the convenient, to hope rather than to fear, and to heed not our worst impulses, but our best instincts." And finally, ladies and gentlemen, to let you know that we not only work for you, but we work out for you, I want you to know that this week I hit a new personal record, a 315-pound deadlift. Well, that's our wrap-up for this week. Thanks for joining us. Keep in touch, and we'll see you down the road.